Tired of ruining good wood just to get old paint off? Well, there's a much better way.
Okay, so for big operations, old-school paint stripping is a huge, expensive headache. Let's see why.
Think about it. Sanding and chemical strippers are slow, messy, and honestly, pretty hazardous. But what if you could ditch all those problems? There's a new technology that changes the game. It's called laser cleaning. Basically, it uses a beam of light to zap the paint right off. So how's it work? Simple. The laser targets the paint, vaporizes it, and poof, it's gone. The coolest part? The laser never even touches the wood. No scratches, no damage, nothing. So you're not getting any gouges or texture changes. Your valuable furniture is totally safe. And get this, it's 100% green. No nasty chemicals, no fumes, no pollution. At all. The benefits just keep coming. Laser cleaning also saves you a ton of time and money. And for any big operation, that efficiency means one thing: major cost savings. I mean, just look at the difference. Sanding is rough and slow. Laser cleaning, it's precise and fast. It's the same story with chemical strippers. Lasers get rid of the health risks and the awful mess. So when you put them head to head like this, it's not even a contest. Lasers win, hands down. Basically, if you need to get acrylic paint off without damage, laser cleaning is the only real answer. This really says it all. It's just a smarter, safer way for businesses to operate. For modern industrial companies, the choice is clear. This is the future of furniture stripping.